Hi, I'm Adi with NoAPIcode. Today I'm going to show you how to consume an API. First head over to NoAPIcode.com and make a free account. On the left hand side there's a button that says New API. Just click that. Here we could enter our API configuration. I'm going to connect to a NASA API and I'll call it NASA. Now we need to put in our API info, and here we could see that the NASA API is a GET request to this URL. I'm going to copy and paste the URL onto our API configuration. I need to input a variable, which is the API key. I will simply define a variable on the right hand side, and to use the variable I will place it in parentheses. So here we could see API key is equal to the variable we defined key. Now we are finished and ready to connect. So in order to connect, we need to export our configuration. Just click export here, which makes a JSON file with all of our APIs. First, I will install the NoAPIcode package using pip. So we'll say Python 3, make pip install NoAPIcode. Next, let's launch Python and actually send this API call. The first step is to import NoAPIcode. The next step is to load our JSON file. That's the one that has all of our info. And finally, we're ready to connect. We simply have to call the request method. The first argument is the name of the API. The next is our variables. And boom, data from NASA. Thanks for watching.